அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். This video sponsored by SPO Digital Marketing. Anyone interested to join part-time job, kindly contact description mobile number.
ஸ்கிப் பண்ணாதீங்க, பெரிய தப்பு. தினம் 300 ரூபாய் சம்பாதிக்க அரிய வாய்ப்பு. இன்ஸ்டாகிராம், ஃபேஸ்புக் பயன்படுத்த தெரிந்தால் போதும், கண்டென்ட் போஸ்ட் அண்ட் கண்டென்ட் பப்ளிஷிங் மூலமா தினம் 300 ரூபாய் சம்பாதிக்கலாம். இந்த வேலை செய்ய 5 நிமிடம் போதும். ஒர்க் ட்ரைனிங் சப்போர்ட், குரூப் கம்யூனிகேஷன் சப்போர்ட், ஆல் லாங்குவேஜ் கஸ்டமர் லைவ் சாட் சப்போர்ட், முக்கியமா சொந்தமா ஒரு பிசினஸ் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ற அளவுக்கு உங்களால கற்றுக்கொள்ளவும் முடியும், சம்பாதிக்கவும் முடியும். இந்த வேலை வாய்ப்பு வழங்குவது 5 வருடத்திற்கு மேல ரன் ஆகிட்டு இருக்க நம்ம தமிழ்நாட்டு கம்பெனி ஸ்கூல் ஆஃப் பிசினஸ் ஆர்கனைசேஷன் பிரைவேட் லிமிடெட். மேலும் விவரங்களுக்கு டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷன்ல கொடுத்திருக்க நம்பருக்கு வாட்ஸ்அப் பண்ணுங்க.
Getting information from the zonal levels on all items, but we've been closely monitoring 54 such items where we wanted to be sure that the prices are reduced, meaning the tax benefit is reaching the end consumer. 54 items. I'm not going to read each one of them out. And even as we say 54 items, from 12 to 5, the rate reduction has happened. And from 28 to 18, rate reduction has happened on largely most of the goods. But in some cases, 1 or 2 went this way or that way. But 54 such daily use items we've been closely monitoring. Not in one has the tax not been, the benefit has not been passed. Not even in one item, the input that we've received from all the zones has the tax benefit not been passed to the consumer. There are, of course, 1 or 2 items like high-end cement, the Portland variety, on which there is an expected rate of passing on should happen, but it is less than that rate. It is that Portland variety of cement, which is called the Portland Pozzolana cement. It's called PPC. It is probably that one category which is far lesser than what should have been expected to be passed on. Now, when I say expected, in some few items where the input tax is more than the output, now that we've reduced the output, there will be some adjustment that the product will do before it reaches the consumer. So where it is expected to have 10 percentage points going as a benefit, it might end up having 8.25% being passed on actually, because of the disparity which still continues to be in a very few set of items between the output tax and the input tax. So that expected rate is closer to what it should actually be passed on, but there will be 1 or 2 percentage differences. So except for that Portland variety of cement of 1 or 2 brands, all cement companies have reduced. So are milk and milk related items. So on these 54 particular items on which we have been getting inputs from the zonal areas, from the various zones of a field formation, we are convinced that on every such item, the benefits are being passed on to the consumer. In fact, I have the item-wise, what is the tax reduction, how much has gone to the consumer by zone, which I have compiled for our benefit's sake for all items, overall for all the zones. So we are convinced that the rate reduction is actually reaching the common people, and that is why I think a lot of people who belong to the sectors are commenting openly. And there is a compilation. You had Minister Ashwini Vaishnav talking about how some FDIs, how some investors have made remarks which are speaking about what is happening in these sectors. Particularly the automobile sector has been very vocal about transferring the rate cut and about how that has improved their sales. So actually I can go on reciting as to how many items have been dispatched. Just 1 or 2 instances. 3-wheeler dispatches grew by 5.5% year on year to 84,077 units, which is up from 79,683 units the previous year. Two-wheeler sales increased 21.60 lakh units. Hero Motors apparently saw the highest ever sales, monthly sales. And so is the passenger vehicle dispatch, which is 3.72 lakhs in September alone. Mind you, we are talking about only between September 22nd and 30th of September, although some of them had started giving it earlier onwards. But 3.72 lakh units have been dispatched in September. And overall, therefore, just in those 9 days, there's been a flurry of buying and selling. So every sector has come out. Similarly, tractors. After the cuts to 1.46 lakh units have been dispatched in September 2025. Month on month, it's about 64,332 units. Sales more than doubled in September for tractors. So you can item by item take about how the rate reduction has actually resulted in consumers increasing their purchase. Dealers in consumer durables have reported a doubling of sales in ACs on the very first day, which is 22nd September. So manufacturers indicated that pre-bookings had begun before the actual rollout itself, and inquiries surged. A major TV manufacturer reported 30 to 35% increase in TV sales on day one of GST 2.0, particularly with 43-inch and 55-inch models showing the highest jump. Electronics retail chain Vijay Sales, that company, saw more than 20% sale in their growth in that 1 month, which is effectively only 8 days. LG Electronics India also noted exponential growth in sales during the Navaratri season. So with the fast-moving consumer goods, particularly when food, personal care items, oils, and nutrition items have all gone up. There's just one data, there are few that I can quote from that 55 zones from where we are collecting data. Very interesting. While 5% reduction happened, there are items which have actually benefited by receiving more than what has been given in the tax benefit. From 18, shampoo came down to 5. Actual decrease in shampoos, for instance, in the price based on average price reported by the various CGST zones is 12.36%. I'm taking that one example to show the intended benefit was 18 down to 5, which means about 11.02%. If they have given whatever was expected to give. But it has actually touched 12.36%. That's a shampoo example. Similar example I will give you of talcum powders, where it has touched 11.77. Face powders 12.22. There was one other very interesting item which I thought I should share because it has clinical diapers. Clinical diapers were reduced from 12 to 5%. And actually what people have found as decrease while buying it is 10.38%. We were expecting to have only about 6.25 worked out average, weighted average, but people have received in clinical diapers 10.38%. So is the change in many other items like table, kitchen and other household articles of iron, steel and copper, even household utensils. The expected weighted average, it was brought down from 12 to 5. Expected weighted average reduction if passed on to the consumer would have been absolutely justified, was 6.25. Now, actually what has been passed on is 10.24%. And that item is what? Table, kitchen and other household articles of iron, steel and copper, utensils also. All these, where you could have just passed on 6.25%, they have actually passed on 10.24%. So more than expected reduction in tax has happened, and at the consumer's hand, he is ending up paying what has been expected and some more too. So on those 54 items, another very interesting set of items I'd like to draw your attention. Toys like tricycles, scooters, pedals, cars, etc., including parts and accessories thereof, were reduced from 12 to 5. If they had passed on 6.25 as a weighted average itself, they would have done the justice. But 8.93% is what has actually been passed on all these items. Similar is the passing on of solar cookers, where 12 to 5 was the reduction, 6.25 would have been justified, but they have passed on 6.96. Another item which is very substantial, 12 to 5 was the reduction, but if they had given 6.25 would have been justified. They have actually passed on 9.19% of benefit to the consumer. And what is this one particular item? Umbrellas, sun umbrellas, including walking stick umbrellas, garden umbrellas, and similar such umbrellas. So item by item, I'm here to tell you that which is weighted average of the reduction which should have gone to the consumer is going, and more is also being passed on. So there is a remarkable impact of this set of new GST rate reductions that have happened, and every item that I've monitored which is of relevance for day-to-day life of common citizens, 54, and we still continue to monitor them, the benefit has been passed on to the consumers. Thank you.